It is the largest military contract yet between India and the United States. It is among the largest military aircraft flying today, with the first C-17 Globemaster for India coming together here in California. Headlines Today gets first an exclusive access to this Boeing facility in Long Beach, where 9 more such aircraft will be built at a cost of over $4 billion for the Indian Air Force. The C-17 will be by far the biggest thing that the Indian Air Force has ever flown or operated, with units operating outside the national capital, Delhi, and in the north in Chandigarh. The Globemaster will be India's biggest and best shot so far at expeditionary and strategic strength and power projection. Not since the 1960s has the Indian military operated US-built transport aircraft. Now, the C-17 Globemaster you see here being built for India may look like a benevolent giant, but never forget it could be pivotal in the en masse movement of troops, of combat gear, equipment, vehicles, weapons, even other aircraft to the border at short notice in the event of war or conflict.